Hi everyone, I wanted to come in here today and show you how I use my close and cut. And what I'm going to do is use the close and cut to cut my Brussels sprouts. And I forgot to take all the other loose leaves off before I did this. So let me do that real quick. We're going to, I also leave on the stems and just cut through them. So this is a great way, instead of cutting your Brussels sprouts one at a time in half, you can cut them with the close and cut very easily, and you can get a majority of them done at one time. Depending upon how big they are, you can almost use all of the Brussels sprouts at one cutting, but this one, these are sort of big, and we're going to get a few more. So I might do this in two different, no, it doesn't look so good. Two different cuts. Put that there. And this is something that I actually took with me camping one time, and it was really, it ended up being a time saver for me because I used this for the Brussels sprouts. And I didn't have to sit there and do several individually. Now the close and cut is great for cherry tomatoes, grape tomatoes, strawberries if you're wanting to slice strawberries, chicken, cutting the chicken breasts in half. So you just close this up and you just use your knife and cut right through, and it will cut them in half. So this is, they're not as easy to do as tomatoes because they're a little bit more tough. But so here, so I have them all cut in half, and they're just ready to toss with my oil and seasonings and put that in to my pan to cook. So that is basically a time saver, a way that you can cut through and get your Brussels sprouts done faster than just doing it individually. Okay, that's the tip for the day. Bye-bye.